Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Tectonic continues to increase in price. Tectonic token today is really increasing in price, about 8% increase in price today, with about 50% rise in volume. And Tectonic token market cap have also gained a lot, hitting about $25.7 million. Now, before the end of 2022, Tectonic token market cap was between $14 million and $16 million, and today we are talking about almost $28 million. Almost $10 million has been added on Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic is being believed, well, a lot of people believe that this coin can delete between 2 to 3 zeros before the end of the year, and I believe it is not going to be possible, but I believe this coin can delete at least 1 zero before the end of 2023. But if Tectonic token can focus on burning, they have about 500 trillion coins out there, and if they can burn at least half of their circulating supply, half of their supply, because they have about 110 trillion coins as circulating supply, that is about 390 trillion coins is still remaining there. So if they can burn at least half of the remaining supply of Tectonic token, it is going to help this coin to really gain a lot. Yes, hitting 100,000% increase in price this year, I don't think it's possible, but deleting 1 zero, hitting 1,000% or 2,000% before the end of the year is possible. Now, Tectonic token have just gotten only 2 exchanges that have listed this coin, which is VPS Finance and Crypto.com. That is why I believe that these two can be try their best, but they still need other top crypto exchanges to come in order for this coin to really pump. The market cap is still trading at 25 million. They need about almost $1 billion market cap in order to hit over 2,000%. I think 2,000%. So you can see that the calculation hitting 100,000 is not going to be easy, but I believe this coin will definitely end its holders on the profit side before the end of the year. But I believe if BTC and other crypto coins, crypto coins like Ethereum, Binance, BNB, if they keep increasing in price, especially BTC, this coin will continue to rise. But hitting 100,000%, I can't promise you that, but I believe very soon Tectonic token might be deleting at least 1 zero. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.